guys, we're going to Ethan's game today at Ocean Isle. So we're now on our way.
Pinalitan nila 45 na.
Ha?
Speed limit
45.
dati 55 yan.
Ibaba nila ng 45 miles.
Maraming houses na sa dito.
So, now we're almost here. We're in the baseball field. We're gonna play Timanos. So, this is the Ocean Isle Beach Park. Say hi, Ethan. Hey, hi, hello. This is the ninth game. Is that nine? How many? Ilang games have done it? So we're looking for a parking. Oh, that is it. How about there na? There we go. Okay, naghanap tayo ng parking, guys. Hindi na sila. Hindi na sila doon? So daddy is parking kasi mahirap ang parking, mahalaki ang car niya. Good luck, Fred. Frederico. Ethan sa game. Yan, nakapark na kami, guys.
Alas hindi pa kasi kayo dapat.
Get your bag, dong. Okay, get your bag. So Ethan is getting ready now, guys. Getting his bag. Wait first, I'm gonna spray your ano. And I'm going to spray this one, guys, for the mosquito. Ayan siya. Ito. Kasi maraming ano, mosquito doon sa field. Come here, dong. You have to close your eyes. Cover your face. Come na. Cover your face. Cover your face. Go na. Go. Oh, umitim na si Ethan. Ethan, close your eyes. Close, ha? Gonna go. You wait for me. You wait for dad and mommy. Ethan. You wait first. Tara na, gang. Daddy, magsalita ka.
You know what's them loose again?
So guys, we're going now to the field. Daddy is getting ready. ready to catch the flying ball. job. Good job, Fred. Good job, Fred. The score is 1-1. So we are in the guest. So our score is 1 and the opponent is 1.
Bidyohan mo, baka magkatsamba ang anak mo. Strike tayo. Si Ethan. Si Ethan pala yun.